So here's how to fix Minecraft error code drowned failed to login. So first what you can do is right click on the start button, click on run, and in here we want to type %sign local or %sign app data %sign, press OK, and in here we want to look for the packages folder. We will need to go to the local folder, so click on the app data on the top here and then click on or double click on local and search for packages folder, which is this one. Double click on it, and in this folder we want to look for a folder called Microsoft Xbox Identity Provider. So we want to click on any folder and press M. This should take us to the folders starting with M, and in here we want to look for the identity provider, so Microsoft Xbox Identity Provider. You can also use the search here for Xbox Identity. Now you should see one folder being the result. Double click on it and then click on the app data. Double click on the app data. Now if you see any folders or files in here, you should remove them. I have cleared my folder already. Now you want to go back and double click on the AC folder and then double click on the token broker. Now if you see anything as well in this folder, you want to right click on it and delete everything you find in here. Next you can close this and then right click on the start button, go to settings and then network and internet, and in here you want to click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whichever you're using. Now click on the edit IPv4 DNS server, set it to manual, enable the IPv4 and use this preferred DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS we want to use 8.8.4.4. Now click save and then you can close this. Now we want to open the services tab, so we can open the task manager and then click on services and then open services, and in this window we want to search for Xbox services. So we can see these 4 Xbox services. We want to make sure they are running, so you want to double click on each service, set the startup type to automatic. Now if it's not running, you want to make sure you click on the start button to start it. Then you can click on apply and OK. Same for Xbox Live Auth Manager. You want to set it to auto and start it. Then click apply OK and do the same for the rest of these 4 services. Now once you finish that, you can close this window. Now if the Minecraft services are functioning and if they are not down, you can try to launch Minecraft again if you have it already installed, and then run it, and it should fix the problem. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.